Hello everyone and welcome back again. So today we're going to be having a look at the chili plants and the pepper plants. Also going to be giving them a bit of a feed. They're not doing as good as what I was hoping they would be at this point. They seem to be falling a bit behind. I'm not sure if it's due to lack of feed, but I haven't fed them anything as of yet. They've just been in straight compost. I've noticed a lot of people using Chili Focus. It's a new one to me, so I am going to give it a go this year. To be honest, I'm not 100% sure if it's too early to be giving them these, but we're going to do it anyway. I'll pop a picture of the back of this up on the screen, basically saying what's in it. It's basically just mineral salts enriched with complex organic plant acids, so folic acid or humic acid, and high concentrates of kelp. So it's basically just calcified seaweed from what I can gather. It's got an NPK of 2.7, 1.0, 4.4. This is a 5 litre tub. Bought this on Amazon, I can't remember how much it was. I'll pop the price up on the screen, and I'll also pop a link to this in the description if anyone is interested in trying it. And also, if anyone's got any advice or information on it, please do let me know in the comments. Be really appreciative of that. But from what I've been reading on the back, mixed chili focus with clean water and feed plants with every watering. For potted plants, water until there is a good runoff. Use 5 ml or 1 teaspoon of chili and pepper focus per litre of water for young plants, and 10 ml from the onset of flowering. So 5 ml per litre until they start flowering, and once they're flowering it's 10 ml per litre. So I have got a litre of water in this jar here, and I've got a little measuring cup with 5 ml and 10 ml. That is the only thing that I've noticed with all these plant feeds. None of them come with any sort of measuring cup. Don't know why. But just give it a good shake. No smell to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour some in here and then pour it in there, just so I don't spill it everywhere. So he says. Okay, so it's quite a lot darker than I thought. Like I said, doesn't smell of anything. And if that's all I need, I really don't need much. Like I say, this is the first time trying this, so I don't know how plants are going to react to it. I've usually just fed the soil as I make my soil mixes, just add dry amendments and slow release fertilizers that way. But I'm going to use this on my chilies and peppers this year, see if we get a bit better results. So now that we've got that mixed up, I've got a small watering can here somewhere, just there. we'll pop out and have a look at the chilies and peppers and give them a quick little watering with this. So all my chili plants and pepper plants are in the 3x2 grow tent under the INKBIRD Pro 2000, and as you can see, not looking too bad, but got roots on the bottom of the pots. There are a few that aren't looking as good, and some that are just going to be going, I think. I did water these 2 days ago, so I'm only going to give them a light feeding, only a little bit in each pot. And another thing that I would like to know, anyone that has used this, can I use it on the tomatoes as well? So I know I do usually water from the bottom, but with there being other plants in here as well, because I've got the tomato plants in there, I don't want, the tomato plants are in a separate tray, but what I don't want is waterlogged underneath them trays. So I want to try and avoid too much runoff if possible. To mix up a little bit more, just to do these last few. Just make a gap there so I remember where to go to. So hopefully with that they should pick up a little bit. They have perked up since I repotted them, but we've got some long chilies, we've got the heavy bell peppers, we've got the total eclipse. So we've got long chilies and total eclipse for Jason's allotment of the Dead Chili Challenge. And then we've got plenty, all these with no label are Corno di Toro, so they're all sweet peppers. And then we've got some new varieties at the back here, Lemon Dream, and a lot of giant bells, some hot waxes, Yellow Monster, giant bell workman, some jalapeno, some more jalapeno. So again, we'll take a closer look at these in another week or two, but I just wanted to give them a quick feed and just thought I'd do a quick little video on that. Also, I'd like to try and get some feedback on the Chili Focus, so anyone that has used it, please do let me know in the comments your thoughts and whether or not you got any advice on it. Right then guys, that is going to be it for me today. I'm going to get on and mix up another batch, get the rest of them fed. Like I said, any advice on this, just drop it in the comments, very much appreciated. And until the next one, bye for now.